What a wonderful world. Hi guys, and welcome to another food challenge. I woke up like 15 minutes ago, got ready for the video, and today, as you can read from the title, we're going to be doing the purple food challenge. So I've done pink food, I've done black food, I've done blue food. So I'm going to link all of these three in the description box below. Today we're going to attempt purple food challenge. I've actually done a lot of research on this and I feel very prepared for this challenge, and I hope this is going to be an exciting one without any hurdles. We'll see as the day progresses. But for breakfast, we're going to be having a smoothie. So this is what it looks like. This is the Epigamia's Greek yogurt smoothie in the blueberry flavor. So last time when I was doing the blue food challenge, I thought blueberry ka sab blue hoga, but nahi, purple hota hai, so works out ye video ke liye. This tastes so good. It tastes just like the yogurt, the blueberry yogurt, which I love. I eat that almost every day or every other day. This is literally that. कुछ भी फर्क नहीं है, दोनों सेम है. I'm gonna have this. वैसे ही मुझे ज़्यादा भूख नहीं है. Usually in the morning I wake up feeling super hungry, but I'm just not that hungry today. This should keep me full for at least an hour, and then we'll move on to lunch. I almost forgot to show you guys the liquid, the water that we're going to be drinking throughout the day. You guys know, if you've watched any of my previous food challenges, you know I like to make like a colored water that I sip on throughout the day. So this is ginger ale and this is in the lavender flavor. So as you can see, it's purple in color. I got a few bottles of these. I personally really like it. It is a little bit like khatta and like sour because obviously it's ginger ale, but I like it. So this is what I'm going to be sipping on throughout the day. So I actually ended up picking so many things from Nature's Basket yesterday, but two of these things I can use today to make like a DIY smoothie bowl. I can use the blueberries. I've already tried it 2-3 days पहले. Purple ही आता है पूरा. और उसके अलावा I can use these as toppings. Let's see वो ready-made Epigame का अगर मुझे fill नहीं किया, then we'll make this. ठीक है, I'm gonna get done with my breakfast. I'm gonna go shower and put on something that's purple, and then we can move on with the day. So lunch is here. I ordered some lunch from Nara Thai. I'll show you what I got. Let me just quickly serve everything. I've sprayed everything already, by the way. So we've ordered quite a lot of food, but most of it I can't eat because it's not purple, but I'll still show you. So the first one is some Thai curry. This is for Aditya. I obviously can't have that because it's not purple. Then we have the raw papaya salad, which is so good. The raw papaya salad from here is fabulous. So I ordered this for tomorrow. So I'll have this tomorrow. आज के मेरे main lunch के लिए मैंने butterfly pea rice मंगाया है, which smells actually really good. So actually this looks blue, but when you squeeze some lime or anything citrus in it, it turns to purple, which is very cool. So we'll test that out, how that works out. And for my drink, I ordered some butterfly pea iced tea. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like a quick taste test, even though I've already tried it off camera. I could not resist. It's really good. Like I actually thought कि plain rice के साथ मैं क्या खाऊंगी, but the rice itself is so flavorful. It's really nice. So I was supposed to, even he liked it, right? So I was actually supposed to order the dumplings, which were purple in color, but for some reason they weren't available abhi, conveniently. So this is all I'm gonna have with the iced tea. Actually, let me taste the iced tea. Doesn't look purple on camera.
अभी से तो purple और क्या चाहिए?
नहीं लग रहा ना कैमरा में. Tastes like iced tea only.
सादा iced tea इसमें butterfly क्या है?
It's purple because of the butterfly pea. सादा iced tea थोड़ा सा खट्टा है लेकिन.
But
even though this is not related to the video, Aditya is gonna do the taste test for the Thai curry. It's a prawn Thai curry, right? अच्छा है?
मस्त.
मैं जो बनाती हूँ उससे better है?
नहीं.
सच्ची? Cool. I'm just gonna get done with the lunch and then we'll catch you guys while we have some snacks.
2 hours later.
So I'm checking in after I think 3 hours. I might or might not have taken a big nap. The food was so good, and today is a Sunday, so I've been feeling so lazy. But I'm here in my balcony. I try to have like my evening snacks here outside. Usually it's a cup of coffee with some sort of like snack or fruit. Today I can't have coffee because I don't know how to make purple coffee. So for today, for snacks, we're gonna have these sweet potato chips, and I'm just gonna have some basic yogurt. This is the Epigamia's blueberry yogurt. I know it says blue, but it's purple in color, and this is my favorite yogurt. It's so good. So I'm excited about this. I've actually never tried these chips before. I'm really hoping they're purple. Yes, they are purple, thank God. This is what they look like. Really good. I think these are baked, so pretty healthy. और ये तो मुझे पता ही है कैसा है. बहुत अच्छा. So I just got sent these beautiful chocolates. These are rasmalai flavor. और ये assortment है, but I can't eat any of them because they're not purple. Hi, so I'm about to get ready for a very important shoot. We're launching a new product on Skion. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'll give you guys like a sneak peek. I don't know by the time the product's gonna be live or not by the time you watch this video. If it is, of course, I'll link it down below. But usually when I have like a big shoot or if I'm shooting for something special, I like to obviously like pamper my skin, do a face mask and all of that. So I've already washed my face with the Mamaearth's charcoal face wash. You guys know this is my everyday face wash. I use this both day and night, and this has activated charcoal and coffee in it. It's great for oily skin, and I do low-key think that every time I stop using this, I start breaking out. It's not supposed to help you with your acne per se, but for me personally, for my skin type, it definitely helps me out a lot. I've gone through at least 5 of these. Like I've saved 2 of these empty ones for like an empties video. But yeah, coming back to the face mask, I'm obviously using the C3 face mask by Mamaearth. This again has charcoal, coffee and clay in it. I've raved about these products since like forever. I can always count on these products. They're my go-to. By the way, these are paraben and silicone free. They're made using natural ingredients, and very recently Mamaearth has been certified cruelty free as well. I'll of course link both of these products in the description box below. In case you want to save a little bit more money, you can use my code MRIDUL2021 on Mamaearth.in to get a 20% off. Other than that, you can also buy Mamaearth products on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 minutes, rinse it off, and then I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair. Hi, so I'm ready to shoot, but before I start shooting, I want to prep for dinner so that it's out of the way, so that once I'm done with the shoot, I can start eating because I'll be hungry by then. So let me show you what I have for dinner. So dinner ke liye, this is what I have. This is purple yam. This is definitely something that is purple for sure, और cook करने के बाद भी purple ही रहेगा, तो काफ़ी full proof है. ये भी काफ़ी full proof है. This is purple cabbage. इसका मैं salad बनाने वाली हूँ. And this is sweet potato. This looks purple from the outside, but अंदर से it's like a cream sort of a color. I mean, I'm gonna have to check. It's been a while since I've had that. So this is what I'm gonna do. Iska I'm gonna make like boiled fries almost kind of, और इसका salad. उसका पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. We'll figure it out. So my dinner is ready. We have the क्या बोलते इसको? What was the name that you told me? Purple yam, which we steamed. Then we have our salad, which I put onion also in there, just to add a little bit more crunch. And then of course we have the ginger ale. This is a new bottle because पहले वाली bottle खत्म हो गई. थोड़ा सा I've actually already tried, not gonna lie, and it tastes really good. और डेफिनेटली ये पूरा खाऊंगी और वो भी खाऊंगी तो पेट भर जाएगा. Both these items are actually really nice. Ideally, they would be both like side dishes, but I'm eating 2 side dishes, so that's equal to 1 main course. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll catch you for dessert. These look black on camera, not even purple. Yeah. Either ways, while we wait for dessert to arrive, we're having some grapes. They're purple grapes, but they look black. You have to trust me on that. But हाँ, ये खा रहे हैं अभी. So the dessert is here. So instead of ordering like an ice cream or like a cheesecake, this is what I ended up ordering. This is from a local restaurant. What is it called? Mixed berry shake. So it's 12:30 at night and I am not gonna include a midnight snack because आजकल मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी सोने लग गई हूँ, तो I don't wanna munch on anything unhealthy. So I think that's basically about it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this purple food challenge. I don't know which color I should do next, so let me know in the comments down below. But I came into this feeling super prepared and I think it paid off pretty well. If I had to pick a favorite meal, I think it has to be my dinner because I didn't expect it to be like go so well. I went into it with very low expectations and it was so tasty, very wholesome. I really enjoyed it. Definitely try both the items out for sure. But I think that's it. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.